Okay, we're here in Del Mar, California, and crazy. So that the heater is underneath the house. I need to grab my tools real quick. Okay, so see how I get here. Okay, there it is over there. Alright, so let's see how we're gonna do. It's on the other side. Do it with a jumper. Crap. Oh, there it is. Okay, so we're going to do a tune-up here on this fairly new system. First thing I want to check is the filter. Filter needs replacement. Okay, so it's a ring. About 6 years old. So, let's see here. Okay, so this is an inducer motor. Okay. We know it's two-stage because it's got two pressure switches. Okay. Got your gas valve, your burners, safety switches. Okay. Limit switches, same thing. Those are actually the rollout switches in case the flame rolls out. Okay, got yourself an ECM motor, control board. Very nice system. Okay, looks like a 5-ton. That's your transformer. Your fan limit switch. Another transformer. That's for the motor. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is put that. Okay, always the inducer motor comes on first. Okay, next will be the hot surface igniter. Okay, we should start to see that glow any minute. And then after the hot surface igniter ignites, then you're going to have the gas valve click open. Sorry, not hot surface igniter, electronic igniter.